channel, Eat Pray Love Travel, and we are here at Mulia Resort. So, ito yung sinasabi nila. Sobrang ganda, no? Para silang maganda actually. We got another lobster. We were gonna try this. So we got this mango. Ayan o, may water ka na. Hi guys! Papunta kami ngayon ng Mulia to check their dinner buffet. So, magta-taxi kami from here sa Ayodhya. So, sobrang lapit lang naman. We heard kasi that it's the only 6-star hotel here in Bali. At masarap ang mga pagkain.
Buffet.
Yeah. So, nagpa-reserve kami for dinner.
Picking
so,
out.
Yeah. See you later! Hi guys, we're here at the cafe. So we're waiting for our reservation at 6 p.m. and the cost of the buffet is 713 IDR per person. Net na yon. So kasama na yung mga taxes. Pero hindi kasama yung mga drinks. Okay, yung drinks depende kung anong gusto mong orderin na drinks. Pero pwede naman wag ka na umorder ng drink. Diba? So depende. We'll check later kung magkano yung mga presyo ng mga drinks nila.
Korean food. We have the Korean grill, and then in the left side it is our grill station.
Okay.
Behind that we have the Thai food. We have the tom yum is our special, and we have the and we have the seafood bar over there. Please. And then over here we have a Chinese noodle. We have Hainan chicken and roasted duck also. And in the front of you, it is Indian food, madam.
Okay.
We have the cheese naan, it's our favorite.
Okay.
And this is our local food. So we have the Indonesian food here.
Oh, okay.
Have you been trying the Indonesian food?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we have the satay, it's the most favorite.
Okay, satay.
Yes, please. And then in in the middle station, we have the Western section. So if you like to order some pasta and salad, you can order here.
Okay.
With a live cooking station, madam.
Okay.
And then a little bit in the corner, we have a Japanese section, sushi, sashimi, and the last one we have this room, madam.
Hi guys, so nandito na tayo sa loob ng Mulia Cafe. Sobrang laki. Actually, it's 6 p.m. So, tignan muna natin kung ano yung una natin pwedeng kuhain. Hi, good evening! So, kanina na-explain na niya, pero okay, we're going to check. This one is the Indonesian food daw. Indian food. Curry. Shabu-shabu. Steamed crab. Green cheese. Okay, this area naman is the medyo maaga tayong ngayon. This area is the crab area. Hi. Mussels, crab. Non-bitter pork. Here, mga bread, the usual thing. Roasted with peppercorn. Pasta section. So, pwede magpaluto. Salad section. Pasta salad, broccoli salad. Okay, dito sa area na to, sobrang laki, grabe. Go to this area. Japanese. Nagugutom na ako actually. Okay, ito yung mga sushi, sashimi, Japanese area. Of course, sa kabilang area ang desserts. Okonomiyaki, yakiniku. Hanapin ko na may tempura. Over here. Okay, we're gonna check over here. Desserts. Hello. Okay, a lot of desserts. Gosh. Fondue. Okay, some more cotton candy. Desserts, grabe, grabe, grabe. Sobrang sarap. Bread pudding. Waffle, crepe. Okay guys, you have seen the entire area. Ngayon, kakain na tayo. Okay?
And also, I'll give you the drinks menu. Let's start with the drinks menu again. Thank you. So this for the a la carte, and also we have the fridge package. So this package there was like free flowing for 2 hours. So we have the 4 kind of package. There was like soft drink package, we have the non-alcohol, package up to mocktail, we have the alcoholic package up to beer and also up to wine. So for example, the soft drink package is only 175k for 1 person.
Okay.
You will get all the soft drinks, including the ice water, including the iced tea, lemon iced tea for 2 hours unlimited.
Okay.
Yeah.
And for the non-alcoholic,
Yeah. For the non-alcoholic, that you will get three kind of mocktail, the signature mocktail, yeah. And also we have the any kind of chill juice. There was like orange, guava, mango, strawberry, and apple. The soft drink and also iced tea as well for 2 hours.
okay. We'll
How much?
discuss.
Absolutely.
260.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Tinawa kita na ito. Lobster, mamaya ka na kumuha.
We got another lobster. And guys, by the way, napakamahal ng tubig dito. Guys, if you're going to eat here, ang price nila is 713 per box. Pero pagkain lang yun, hindi kasama yung drink. Ang inumin, grabe, nakakaloka. For water, itong one bottle of water. 13,000 sa tubig ha. Pero pag nag-avail ka ng unlimited drinks for 2 hours, 230.
Ang alcoholic, pag nasa
Ang-
peso, nasa 900.
So parang 900 pesos ang conversion nun for a 2-hour unlimited drink. So wag na. Kasi di ba pag uwi namin ng hotel, meron doon cocktail night and yung buong ref namin ay merong refill ng mga soft drinks. So useless talaga na mag-avail ka dito. So tiisin na lang natin and much better naman siguro kasi syempre yung tubig. So para mapuno talaga yung tiyan natin ng masasarap na pagkain. Just small serving.
Aglio with seafood?
No, plain.
Aglio.
Seafood marinara to eh.
Mukhang masarap.
And steak plus salmon and ito ang mga Indonesian food yan. So let's eat. Eating the aglio olio. Ay, I'm sorry. Seafood marinara. Try nyo. Sarap. Tapos ang daming naman na seafood. Oh my gosh. Sobrang excited ako dun sa dessert area. Grabe, ang dami. Kasi like, syempre pang 5-star na na mga luto. Ito mamaya feeling ko marami akong makakain. Hi. One chocolate?
Chocolate?
Yes.
Chocolate means? Is it?
No more. Thank you. Ice cream. This is their panna cotta. And then tiramisu. Ayan,
Thank you.
plus of course yung ice cream. We're gonna try their ice cream.
Hindi ka nag-crab.
Sarap. Oreo. Sarap din, grabe. May ang sarap ng chocolate ice cream nila. This one, tiramisu. Hindi natin makuha, sobrang rich na.
Wala na yun.
Tiramisu, guys.
Ayan, salpa.
Talaga?
Sobrang creamy.
No? Hindi pa kami tapos actually sa mga main course. Pang patanggal lang ng ano,
Creamy. Sarap.
pang pan-neutral ng palate. Sarap, no?
Tikman mo.
So we got this mango panna cotta. We're gonna try it. Okay. Maasim yung mango. Coconut pancake with vanilla ice cream. So we're gonna try it. Where's my spoon? Okay, we're gonna try this. Coconut pancake.
Masarap daw yan.
Tingnan natin kung anong version to sa kanya.
Tapos lagyan mo daw ng vanilla ice cream on top.
With the vanilla ice cream on top. Okay. Laki.
Ano lasa?
Ano? May explain?
Pero masarap yan daw yung best ano daw yan. Sikat daw dito.
Masarap.
Tinanong ko kasi, sabi ko kung ano yung best sa akin.
Ikaw, papatigin ko sa'yo. Ano to? Parang kakanin sa atin to eh, Han.
Talaga?
Yeah. Napatikin ko sa'yo. Oo. Hindi,
Yung sarap nga.
may kalasa to sa atin. Parang mga kakanin. Mga coconut na kakanin.
Pero ang sarap nga ah.
Ang dami doon nakita ko to eh.
The best daw yan with vanilla ice cream.
Ito. Maasip yung mangga na asiman ng... Oh, coconut panna cotta with mango something. Correct with coconut
Lime.
Kala ko ice cream.
Yan daw yung bagay.
Ano cut to?
Chocolate.
Ano naman? Parang mas gusto ko yung ano.
Vanilla.
Ay! May mga chocolate bits. Hindi siya syrup. Chocolate yung loob, pero chocolate bits. Masarap naman. Okay lang. Pinaka-nagustuhan ko talaga yung ano. Ice cream. Pero sarap nung ano ha.
Masarap pa.
Yung ice cream ng...
Ano daw yan eh? Coconut lime.
Sarap siya.
Yan yung sikat dito na. Sobrang ano, pure. Grabe. Pure na pure.
Ang sarap. Actually, talagang kami more on sweets eh, no? Than the main course. Ito, oh. Yummy. Naisip namin, sobrang mahal ng tubig. Dapat pala ginawa namin, humingi na lang kami ng baso ng yelo. Tapos inantay namin matunaw. Ayun, no? May water ka na. Ayan.
Strawberry cheesecake.
Ba't ganyan kulay?
Strawberry cheesecake.
Light pink.
Yung sa...
Ice cream ba yan?
Yeah.
The strawberry cheesecake.
Yes. Should try it.
Okay na.
Sobrang sarap. Wait lang. Ba yung ano, buo yung cheese.
Ang dami naman.
Buo yung cheese eh. now. Good.
Sobrang laki ng cheese na kabaknal. Guys, so nagbayad na kami. 1,550 yung bill sa club. Sa tubig, no? Grabe. Sabi nga namin, hindi na kami iinom eh. Lalabas na lang sana kami. Kahit nabibilauka ka na. Oh my God. Tubig, tubig. So, ito yung pinayaran namin. Sobrang labo ng resibo. Saan ba? Ayun. So, 1,558 pala. Yung service charge pa. Nakakalula yung service charge nila. Tsaka tax. Cheers.
Yung alaga nito, isang bote ng wine.
Thank you very much. Okay, Farcom. See you again soon. You are Widdy. Thank you. Bye. So guys, we are done. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And of course,
Hit that notification bell for more updates.
thank you. Good night, guys. Bye.